Okay, this is a quick POV of the Jade Leaf Matcha ceremonial grade with some random one that I got from a friend because I wanted to get into matcha using the Tiana Goo kit, which is really beautiful. I'm actually very surprised about the quality of the material, and it comes with the bowl, the sifter, the traditional scoop, and Zofia says hi, with the holder, the bamboo whisk holder, that I'm just having here warm up in the hot water to loosen up. And you can see already the quality of the tea just based on color. I just received the Jade Leaf today. This one I tried a few times and it was grainy, bitter, probably because it's very old is what I'm told. But let's see, this is a first time on video, POV view of this matcha making. I'm a complete beginner, so forgive any mistakes, right, Sophia?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So you can see the quality of the powder. Can you, Eva, get me the boiling water that's just been sitting there? Hopefully now it's cool enough since it's been a while. So you can see the quality of the matcha. Again, I'm a beginner, and all I know is from what I've seen on YouTube. And I know, that's what I keep telling her. And that's the powder, that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna pour some water. Forgive the commotion in the background, it's just family life. Okay, a little bit of water to whisk. And you can see right away, you get that nice foam that people like. And you can see the bubbles forming, and let me focus better here. Yeah, he is. There's a haircut happening in the background, but you know.
You're just screaming about Kazan.
Yeah, her
Don't worry
brother.
about it.
That's her brother.
That's my brother.
The beginning, and then I'm told to just lift it up a bit and go more slowly to get rid of the bigger bubbles to create the foam. Now I'm going to add more water. Okay, add more water. Like that. And then I need to talk a little bit louder so that you can hear me on the video like this.
Because everyone's screaming about Kazan's hair.
Yup.
That's why.
And so we're going to just finish the bottom. Get rid of all the bubbles. Okay. And a complete novice, but look, you got a little bit of the foam on top. I mean, if you have any recommendations, you can always let me know. But this is what it looks like in a busy household. Okay. And I've tasted the older one, and it's very bitter and kind of grainy, and the color is not as vibrant as this one.
Yep.
And I know. Yep. Okay, and let's see, this is the finished product.
I'm laughing.
Okay.
He's not laughing, Mom. He's embarrassed.
Okay. And that's as good as I can get it, but look at it. The foam. I'm just gonna try a sip. Way smooth. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, I can eat.
I can't get my hair out of my face.
Don't worry about it.
Is it hot?
A little bit, but not too bad.
That's so much better.
Right? And she's gonna make it into a latte. I drink it straight. So, or you can make it like into a dirty matcha with a coffee, which is what the partner likes. And that's pretty much a POV view. If this was helpful, consider following the channel. And thank you for your time. Bye-bye.
Bye.